Alright guys, we got our steak. You gotta wash your meat, guys. Okay, so we're gonna use the first three ingredients. We have some Himalayan salt, some black pepper, and some thyme. And we're gonna coat both sides evenly. We'll rub that in later. Actually, we'll rub it in right now. Never too much time. Okay, so we got our cast iron pan, which is what we're gonna be cooking our beautiful steak in. We're gonna use a spoon to base the steak. We got tongs to flip the steak, because it's very difficult flipping a steak without tongs. Butter. Some minced garlic. And oil. And a glove, because the thing is gonna be hot. Yep, my bad. Boo. That was probably too much oil. Alright, we need some tongs. You want to build a nice crust. This oil really hurts. Gotta put the mitten back on. Alright, so we're gonna have the steak on both sides for 2 minutes and 30 seconds to try and get a perfect medium rare. And we want it to be at a temperature of 135 degrees. Alright, we're gonna flip our steak now. It's been about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're gonna flip it. As you can see, we've developed a perfect crust on this steak. Alright, we're gonna put our butter in for basting. Boink. I don't know either. And our garlic. Geez, we're gonna switch it real quick because I'm not a lefty. I put all our garlic in there too, that side. Okay. Now, we're gonna, oh yeah, the thyme too. You can never have too much time. Jesus, hurry up, fast hands. Time. That's enough time, I guess. And now we're gonna put the tongs down, take the spoon, and start basting the steak. Got a butter-based steak, you know? Yeah, we're gonna take it off. Now we're gonna let our steak rest for a little bit and take it off the pan and put it on our cutting board. And it's at a 155 internal. Now we're gonna cut our steak open. Alright, let's take a look, see if we acquired a good juice. You can see that perfect, whatever. Look at them.
Nice.
Those all those juices in there. That's the perfect steak. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Really good. Thanks for watching.